Hi, what's up, you guys? Got some of the smaller stuff, normal stuff over here. Case of Rocket Man. Got these. 2 of those. Alright. Got just a couple old jungles left. Pack of Hellcats. Case of Hydra Kings. Some Master 120s. Got a full box full of the White Anarchies. Rebs. Over the Limit. Godzilla. Medusa. Got some of these. There. Some awesome fountains. Bunch of Thunder Kings. Bunch of Walking Willows. Getting a little closer to these. These are pretty sweet. Yeah, well, that's pretty much it. The big wig, all raccoon, pretty awesome. Alright, guys, that is it.